Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how you can connect stuff to your Google Plus account. And if you don't want to watch this full video, go to the bottom link in the description. So guys, what you need to do is either crack open the YouTube app or the YouTube website and go to the top right corner, and it should have your profile image. It would either be the first letter of your first name or the image that you have set for it. Should be around about there where that arrow is. The reason why I've hidden some of the top half of the page is because it has my email address. So yeah, so just tap that little icon that you have as your profile thing, then go to settings and connect accounts. It's pretty much the same for the YouTube app. So yeah, you can connect whatever accounts you want. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. So last link in the description. And yeah, goodbye.